Hey guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing really well. I am like super comfortable and chilled in here. I'm still in my PJs. I've got my legs up on the chair and I've got all the products in front of me to show you guys some of the recent purchases that I've done. So I actually placed an order on Nykaa last week and I also got a couple of stuffs from Sephora. So if you guys are interested in knowing what are the recent purchases I've made, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start by showing you guys some of the stuff that I've got from Sephora. So to start with, I've got these two click sticks from Cover FX. So I've got one as a corrector. This is an orange corrector and the other one is a concealer in the shade G30. Of course, I use this concealer to highlight my face. And I've also got this Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation Powder. Now you guys, if you guys been following me for a while, you would know like last month my skin was in a terrible state. It was breaking out so much, I didn't know what was wrong with it. I was just doing my regular things, but suddenly my skin decided to act very crazy and it started breaking out like terribly. So I actually wanted to stop using foundation for some time and give my skin a break. But since I work in beauty industry, I just cannot roam around with acne and scars on my face. So I started using this, and this, you guys, is such a game changer for me. I'm not even kidding. So I use these three products on my face like 99% of the time. So I first apply the corrector, then I apply the concealer and I apply this foundation powder on the top. And you guys, this is so full coverage. I mean, I never expected a powder foundation to be so full coverage and so long lasting. In fact, this is the product I'm wearing on my face right now. I also shot a tutorial for this look. It's like a super easy look. You can do it like within 5 minutes and go to work. And plus, since Cover FX products are non-comedogenic, thankfully they do not break me out and they work really well with my skin without clogging in the pores or without irritating my skin. So I'm so happy that I actually discovered this product and I'm actually in love. So I thought, why not just go ahead and get one for myself. So yeah, hence I went ahead and purchased these three products so I can use them even when I am not working, and I'm so happy that I've discovered these products finally. So I've been seeing this blue liner and mascara trend a lot online. Like everyone's been using blue mascaras or liner. It seems like blue is the new black these days, and of course I wanted to jump into the bandwagon, and hence I got myself these two products from Benefit. So I've got the Benefit They Are Real mascara and the Benefit They Are Real push-up liner in the shade blue, and this is such a beautiful blue color, you guys. And surprisingly, you guys, even though I work at Sephora, I've never tried these two colors. So let me know if you guys want me to do like like a first impression or a tutorial for you all, and I would love to do that. Now the last thing I got from Sephora is this, and the product is not in here because it is in my bathroom right now. So this is the Sephora reusable wipe for removing makeup, and as the name says, it is actually a reusable wipe which you can use to remove your makeup. And I've actually started using the Clinique Take Your Day Off Makeup Balm these days, and I was actually wasting a lot of cotton pads in removing that balm from my face. So I went ahead and purchased this, and this is such an amazing product, you guys. If you use like a cream cleanser or if you use something like a cleansing balm to remove your makeup, you must give this a try. So you just massage the product as usual, but instead of using a cotton pad, you actually use this wipe to remove the makeup, and it takes off everything so nicely. This wipe is so soft, and the best part is it is reusable, so you can just wash it and keep it aside to dry, and once it's dry it becomes a little stiff, but then you can just wet it up again and you can start using it. And this is such a great product. Like it has to be my favorite product, this one. So coming to my Nykaa haul, I'm sure a lot of you guys will be surprised to see this, but I finally got my hands on the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. I know I had been living under the rock. I actually wanted to try this foundation from such a long time. I can't even explain, you guys. And I know that everyone on the internet just raves about this product, but somehow I never got an opportunity to try it. But now I finally have it in my hands. I'm so excited to use this one. Let me know if you guys actually want me to do like a first impression on this product too, because I'm really excited to see how this works for my skin. So if you guys would have seen my last haul video from Nykaa, I actually ordered the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo, and you guys, I am in love with that product. It has done such a miracle for my skin, I can't even explain. even like the oldest acne scar that I had, like the ancient ones, has started to disappear, and I'm like so happy, and I've built up like such a great trust on the brand that I wanted to try one more product, and this is the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel for oily sensitive skin. And again, I was checking it online, and this product had such amazing reviews, and because I love the Effaclar duo so much, I couldn't wait to go ahead and give this a try. I haven't used this yet, but again, if you guys want me to review this and that product together, let me know in the comments below. But I'm like really looking forward to use this face wash. Now, considering my skin situation last month, I actually wanted to do a lot of preventions to make sure that my skin doesn't break out that much again. Hence, I've gotten a couple of masks. The first one is this Plump Green Tea Clear Face Mask, and this is for acne prone skin. Again, I read such great reviews about this product online that I thought I'll give this a try, and I have actually not used any Plump products whatsoever. So yeah, I'm like really looking forward to use this face mask. I'm actually a face mask junkie. I love using face masks on my face, majorly like the homemade ones. So let's see how that works. Another face mask I've got is this Himalaya Oil Clear Mud Face Pack. Now this is like a regular thing for me. I have gone through so many tubs of this mud mask from Himalaya. I can't even tell you guys. This is such a fabulous product, and I use this like twice or thrice a week, and I actually use this whenever my skin is like troubling me. Otherwise I just forget about this. But yeah, a very amazing mud face mask. Plus it's like super economical, very affordable, and it gives like great result. So I had to repurchase it. So speaking about repurchase, I actually repurchased this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as well. If you guys watch my tutorial, you know this is like my holy grail product. I love it, and I cannot rave about this product more, so I had to repurchase this. So after the fantastic range of nail polishes and lipstick, Nykaa has also introduced eye products. So Nykaa recently introduced their kajal and eyeliner, and I had to get my hands on these so I can test it for you guys. So I've got Rock the Line Kajal and Black Magic Liquid Liner. I actually got the affordable ones because I'm sure a lot of you guys like affordable products like me. So it actually has two variants, by the way, an expensive one and this is the affordable one. So I wanted to give this a try once, and then if this works and if I think that it is actually worth an investment, I can go ahead and buy the expensive one. But this is what I got at the moment. And last but not least is actually a freebie. So because I purchased some product once a month, I got this. So this is the L'Oreal Kajal Magique, and again, if you guys know me, you know that I do not apply any black coal on my waterline because my eyes are so small, it shrinks them down. But I'm really happy that I received a freebie with this purchase, and I would either give it to someone or do a giveaway for you guys. So yeah, I think my voice is just gone right now because I'm actually not keeping that well, but you know, speaking so much, my voice is like completely gone, so please don't mind that. So yes, this completes my Nykaa haul. Do let me know your favorite product from this haul in the comments box below. Also, if you guys want me to review anything, do a first impression, please let me know below and I will do it for you all. And yeah, I think I cannot hear myself now, so I should stop blabbering. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye!